If you're trying to decide between Claude AI and GitHub Copilot, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down which one is better, what each tool is actually designed for, and when you should choose one over the other. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI and software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's talk about Claude AI. Claude is especially strong when you need deep understanding of a large codebase. If you're working with multiple files, a full project, or a complicated system, Claude can help you analyze the bigger picture instead of just suggesting the next line of code. That makes it really useful for software architecture, debugging complex issues, and understanding how different parts of your application connect. Claude is also excellent at explaining code in a clear, human-friendly way. So if you're learning something new, trying to document a project, or figuring out why something works the way it does, Claude can save you a lot of time. It's also a strong choice for refactoring code, reviewing pull requests, and helping you improve the structure of your application. One of Claude's biggest advantages is its very large context window. That means it can handle a lot of information at once, which is a major benefit when you want to analyze several files together, or work through a broader technical problem. And with Claude Code, it can even act like an AI coding agent that handles multi-step development tasks, which is great when you want assistance beyond simple autocomplete. Now let's switch to GitHub Copilot. Copilot is designed primarily for real-time coding inside your editor. If you spend most of your day writing code, it feels like a natural extension of the IDE. As you type, it can suggest inline completions, generate full functions, and even help create unit tests. That makes it very practical for speeding up day-to-day development. Copilot also integrates deeply with popular development environments like Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio Jetman's IDEs, and GitHub itself. So if your workflow lives inside your editor, Copilot is built to stay out of your way and help you move faster without interrupting your flow. So which one is better? The short answer is, it depends on what you need. If you want help with planning, debugging, architecture, documentation, and understanding large amounts of code, Claude AI is usually the stronger choice. If you want fast inline coding help, function suggestions, test generation, and a tool that feels tightly connected to your editor, GitHub Copilot is probably the better fit. A simple way to think about it is this. Claude is better for thinking through code, while Copilot is better for writing code as you go. Claude feels more like a coding assistant for analysis and problem solving. Copilot feels more like an autocomplete engine on steroids for active programming. If you're a developer working on complex projects, Claude may be better when you need bigger picture reasoning. If you're coding every day in an IDE and want speed, Copilot may be the better productivity boost. In many cases, the best choice depends on whether your bottleneck is understanding the code or typing the code. And honestly, a lot of developers may benefit from using both in different situations. One can help you reason about the system, while the other can help you build inside the editor much faster. If this comparison helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.